napili po namin sa project management software is Trello. So what is Trello? So Trello is a project management tool that makes a collaboration easy. So Trello basically is tool siya or software siya na pwedeng gamitin sa mga project management like mga event, kasal, ganun. Pwede mo siyang gamitin para mas mapadali yung pagmamanage mo ng mga tasks sa magiging project mo. So, ano mga pwedeng ilagay sa Trello? Collaborate with teams. So, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng attachments like Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive. So, pwede mong i-upload yung mga files mo directly sa Trello na nakalagay sa computer mo. So, Trello reminds you when you want. So, Trello is nag-set siya ng 24 hours notification para sa mga task mo. So, halimbawa, may task ka na mag-grocery ka. So, within 24 hours is magno-notif siya sa'yo if nagawa mo na ba siya, tapos na ba siya, or gagawin mo pa lang siya. Next.
Basic components. Boards. A board represents a project. Next, list. List keeps cards organized in their various stage of progress. Cards. The fundamental unit of a board in a card.
Next, for creating a board. So click the plus button at the top of the Trello. Then select Create Board from the menu options. Next, name your board after your project. You can always rename your board in the future. By default, boards are set to private, but you can also set boards to public or team visible.
Add a list and a card. Add a list to your board by clicking the Add List button on your board. Now, add your first card on your list. Click Add a card. Name your card and then click Save.
For editing your cards, you have add and actions, where the add section provides you with more tools for the back of a card. Add board members to cards to assign them tasks or keep them in the loop. Add labels for filtering and data visualization. Add checklists for cards that require subtasks. Add a due date to cards for projects that have deadlines. Add attachments from both local drives and many cloud storage services like Dropbox and Google Drive. For actions, a card can be moved around to a new board or list, and it can also be copied.
So, ang origin ng Trello is a web-based Kanban style siya. So, it was created in 2011 by Fagric Software. So, it was spun out from the basis of separate company in New York City in 2014. So, tapos nasold siya sa Atlassian in January 2017. So, in summary, Trello is a project management software na ginagamit para mas mapadali yung mga projects or events na kailangan yung gawin.